This is Aretha Franklin speaking from the afterlife through paranormal technology. It's called the P-SB7 Spirit Box. You guys ready to hear her? This is really her coming through. Hello, Aretha Franklin, are you here? Aretha? I'm just gonna let you talk. You don't have to answer any of my questions. Are you there? Aretha? Hi. How are you? How's the afterlife? What? She said it's beautiful. Put on your headphones. Aretha Franklin. You want to talk? Go right ahead. Do you have any messages for your family? She said something. Put on your headphones. Do you have any messages for your fans? What? Go ahead, try your best. It's okay. Wow, you're such a beautiful woman. Yeah? Remember, this technology is real. Hi, Aretha? What? Hi. I know you don't know me too well, but you guys can see everything about me and about your fans. Are you visiting your fans? I said Aretha Franklin. Hi. She called somebody's name. For the family of Aretha Franklin, There's a link below this video. Contact that man. He's a scientist that has equipment to see and to let you hear Aretha Franklin from the afterlife right now. Link is below this video. I said Aretha Franklin. She's laughing. I knew you were laughing before. You were talking in my mind. But this is technology. Aretha Franklin, thanks for talking. Told you I wasn't crazy. Aretha? Are you there? I said Aretha Franklin. Hi. Do you have any messages for your family? Did you enjoy your life, Aretha? Aretha. I said Aretha Franklin. Hi. You're such a beautiful lady. Is this what you look like now? In the afterlife? In heaven? They say we never age in heaven. We live forever. Hello? Aretha Franklin. Aretha? Aretha Franklin. Have you seen God? Keep? King? I said Aretha Franklin. Hi. I can hear you. She said here. She's here. Are you physically here in front of me? If you are, can you appear in front of this camera? Say one last goodbye. But it's never truly goodbye, is it? Aretha. I said Aretha. Yeah. Who's with you, Aretha? Is that your angel? Aretha? Franklin. Hi. Hey. Move away? Okay. Okay. I want to see Aretha Franklin. Aretha? Angel, allow Aretha Franklin to be seen. Aretha, are you there? Yeah? Hey. What? Go ahead, say anything you want to your family. They will see this. Go on, say anything you want. Hey. Hi. Aretha. I want to talk to Aretha. Aretha Franklin. Are you enjoying the afterlife? Are you resting now? Yeah? Okay, I'm calm. I'm calm. Which was your favorite song? Just to confirm that it's you. I know it's you, but for the fans. Aretha? Who's with you? I hear a male voice. What? She said it, baby, you're everything? Oh, wow. She's talking. You are. See? That is her. She said it. That's you, isn't it? It's you. It's a beautiful picture of you. That's who you are. A beautiful woman. You're welcome. Aretha? You can talk, that's correct. You are special. Of course. Battery's low. It's okay. She said, I'm sorry. Don't be sorry. See, ghost communication drains power. Ask any paranormal investigator. It's okay. Go on. Aretha? Aretha Franklin. Are you there, Aretha? I know I can hear you. I mean, yes, I know you're there. You're a very strong woman. I can feel you. It's coming right... Wow. I've never had this... Hey, Aretha Franklin. Hey. Who is that man with you? Is it an angel? Who's the male? Aretha? Who is he? Sounds like he's nice. What? Aretha Franklin, thanks for talking. The world has heard your voice. We know that you're well. You sound so good. Come visit anytime. Goodbye. Aretha, goodbye. Rest in peace. Go be with God forever. She was laughing. You know why they're laughing? Because there's a whole lot more we don't know.